Think for a moment what you'd do if you suddenly got lost in a forest. Getting lost in a forest is a really dangerous thing, so every decision you take at such a time is very crucial. So, in this video we talk about what you should do and what steps you should take such a time. Stay tuned with our YouTube channel. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, subscribe today. And don't forget to click the bell button also. At a time like this, you need to calm down first, because in this kind of situation you worry, it means that your abilities to solve problems are limited. So, even if it is a bit scary experience, it is better to calm down. Next, you should stay in one place without going anywhere, and it's better if you mark where you are now by using something. If someone doesn't come to save you today, you will have to spend a day or several days in the forest. Now you need to find a shelter to protect yourself from the wild animals there. You can also use a tree trunk or a rock cave for that. Otherwise, you will have to make a temporary shelter using tree branches and wood. At all times, you should be very careful about the wild animals around you, because bears, crocodiles, elephants, and very fierce animals may be keeping an eye on you all this time. Next, you light a fire. As the forest is very cold at night, it will be more useful to light a fire to keep you warm. Next, you need to find a water source, because at a time like this, the most essential things for you are water and food. So try to go a little bit away from where you are and find some water to quench your thirst. At the end of all this, you can find food to satisfy your hunger. There you can catch a fish from a nearby water source. If not, you can also take fruits or leaves from the trees as food. When finding food, you should also pay close attention to whether the food is poisonous or not. When foraging, it is best to avoid eating berries and mushrooms. So, if you follow these measures when lost in the jungle, it will ensure the safety of your life. Also, don't forget to craft a tool or weapon out of something while following these steps. It will be useful for you in procuring food, as well as in case of sudden wild animal attacks.